Hello beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the Soap and Glory Righteous Body Butter 10-point fluid ounces. And about the product, it's a body moisturizing butter, contains softening shea butter and aloe vera. It's a dynamic moisturizer to trap matrix to keep and hold hydration in longer. It's recommended for all skin types, especially very dry skin. And I get very dry skin on my arms and elbows and my feet. So my husband uses this on my feet for me a lot. So it says 10-point fluid ounces. And they have really cute sayings on here. Get sinfully soft skin with our amazing formula, righteous butter. It's really cute packaging. This is what the product looks like. And I'm going to put some onto my hand here so you can see the consistency. It also smells really good. I don't know what it smells like exactly, but it's a nice fresh smell. It absorbs very quickly. I'm putting it on all the way down my arm. So you can put it on your cuticles, your hands, your legs, your feet, anywhere that you need moisturizer. And it also says, bored, lost that rubbing feeling, why not try the righteous butter? So with softening shea butter and aloe vera, body moisturizing formula, so virtuous you might swear you're wearing velvet, by Soap and Glory. So yeah, this is a really great product. I enjoy it. I really enjoy when my husband rubs it on my feet to get that moisture in there. I would rate it 4 out of 5. It's not perfect, but it's a really good, especially with the shea and aloe vera, which is really fantastic. So yeah, other customers rate it at a 4 out of 5 as well. And like I said, you can use it on all skin types. I've had no reaction to it. I'm allergic to a lot of things, and I'm definitely not allergic to this product. I think it's great moisturizer. It's something, I didn't really know how important it is to moisturize, and moisturizing is essential for daily maintenance of your skin. Also SPF as well. So, but moisturizer is really important to keep your skin nice and soft and supple. You can use, of course, loofahs in the shower with body washes, but I find that this does a better job of keeping in moisture. Putting it on my legs and my arms and my feet. Yeah, I didn't moisturize too much as a teenager. Now that I'm getting older, moisturizer is an essential, and it should be an essential for everybody. So I would give this a try. You're not gonna lose with this one. This one's a really great moisturizer, and like I said, it smells, I don't know what that smell is. Let me see if I can find what it says on the back. Oh, it's a rose smell. So it's a nice rose, fresh smell. I highly recommend it, but like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself. I think you'll enjoy it. I think you'll enjoy using it every day. keeping your legs moisturized, your feet moisturized, your hands, your arms, your elbows, all those important places, your neck. So give this a try, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day.